Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Data Cloud Now. I'm currently in San Francisco, where I'm now delighted to be joined by Salim Syed, VP and Head of Slingshot Technology at Capital One Software. Salim, such a pleasure to be with you here today.
Happy to be here. This is a fun, exciting event. I'm very excited to be here.
Let's jump right in. Salim, 3 years ago, Capital One Software launched its first product, Capital One Slingshot. Slingshot helps companies maximize their Snowflake investment and is available as a Snowflake Native App. How does this integration help Capital One Software customers increase positive business outcomes?
So Slingshot provides Snowflake customers insights into cost drivers and optimization opportunities. It starts with giving you the visibility into where the inefficiencies are, then in near real time, giving you insights into what's causing it and what you can do about it. And then the best part is it allows you to even take action on it, which is in a well-governed, auditable way. And with native application integration, I think our customers have seen faster onboarding, sometimes very simplified billing experience, and then it's built on top of Snowflake's security perimeter, so it's a very secure, safe place that gives that peace of mind to our customers.
It's great to hear. It sounds like a very much win-win across the entire board. So from your seat, what changes across the data landscape are having the most impact on infrastructure management, and why?
I think before I talk about the changes now, if you look at the last 5-10 years, there's been an explosion in data, right? More and more companies are leveraging data to make decisions, and the complexity, the velocity, the variety of data has just exploded. And with all of that, now when you think about AI, it's the additional risk and things you have to think about to manage your data and the user use cases is taking on a different look. So I feel with AI coming in, it's only the basics of having a good, making sure the quality of your data, the security of your AI infrastructure, and the one that I care about is the cost. Because with all that usage, you're gonna see wastage, inefficiencies in how you're using it. So with Slingshot now just released in the summertime, the visibility into Snowflake's Cortex cost. So now you can see where the cost is going in your AI use cases, and we're gonna keep adding more and more to that.
I'm looking forward to seeing what comes next. Salim, in today's hyper-competitive environment, time to insights has never been more pivotal. In queuing in on what you said previously, how is Slingshot serving to give your customers the competitive edge?
You're absolutely right. Time to insight is key. I think we learned it a long time ago when we started with our journey in Snowflake. Capital One has thousands of users running millions of queries and petabyte scale, millions of queries a day at petabyte scale. And we always believed that you have to let business run at the speed of their needs. And what happened, and we in Capital One, we've allowed that, given the business the chance to create innovation, create insight at the speed they needed. We didn't create the bottlenecks, even though Snowflake kind of unleashed the power with their unlimited compute on demand anytime you want it. A lot of companies I talk to still holds their usage of data warehouses because they're afraid that if you just open it up, it's going to be uncontrolled, costs will go up. So what we've always said, give them the power, but make sure there's centrally managed governance, guardrails built in, and then let the line of businesses, the users, manage their own infrastructure when they need it, and give them the insight. Because you don't want to wait, weeks, days, when the insight is needed right away.
Right. Put them in a position to make those actions in real time, to your point. So always a pleasure sitting down with Capital One Software. But before we wrap, I have to ask, what's next for Slingshot?
What's next? That's a great question. I mean, right now, just this time, I'm so proud to announce we had like 40 new features that we announced for the summit.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah, it includes 23, 24 optimizations, lots of visualizations, workload management, governance, notification. On top of that, we partnered really well with Snowflake on adaptive warehouse and Gen 2 warehouse. So we have companion products we're releasing at the same time that allows you to know when to use these new capabilities, see the cost difference between prior to Gen 2 and after Gen 2. And then make it very easy for you to convert and revert back. All these things, I think, are going to really help as Gen 2 and especially adaptive gets better and better. I think we want to start helping customers go towards that vision of Snowflake too.
Well, congratulations on all the success. It's safe to say it's all happening here at Snowflake Summit. Such a pleasure sitting down with you.
All right, thank you so much. Happy to be here. Thank you.
And for the audience watching, I'm Ryan Green with Data Cloud Now. We'll see you soon.